Alright, our next race is the Scooter 125 Limited class. We have a wet race again. So this is only scheduled for 6 laps. Again, this is a novice beginner riders and part of our development of young riders to move up with less, more affordable equipment. On pole, we have Ronald Galzote of TWPO Project FI. Second, is Eunice Santa Ana of Coso Phyto Dino DE69. And then Kervin Berganya of TWPO Project FI. Wow! Congratulations, Eunice. Impressive. Ahead of Kirby Berganya this year. Fifth is Renzi Vigo of Zoneo Moves. And fifth is Jamila Ramirez. So we have 2 lady riders here in the 125 class. Again, the wet race scheduled for 6 laps. Alright. 5 laps to go. Ito po, 6 laps to go. 6 of our promising SP riders. In a few years time po, most if not all, dalawa dito ay magiging leader. Wow, Roland Galzote with a quick move to the right, trying to cut off Eunice from second position, but Eunice is already there. Wow! Eunice is riding on a different level today. Eunice of Coso Phyto DE69 Dino Racing Team. Iba ngayon, medyo hindi siya naiiwan. And let's see if Eunice can get a win. Oh, but Eunice, as I said, Eunice Santa Ana goes down. Eunice goes down. Wow, we briefly caught her sa camera trying to was in a good position but sumemplang. But okay, but he was able to remount and is now moving. So Eunice is kaya ito na si Eunice. If he can come back. Okay, so it's Ronald Galzote followed by Berganya, far 8 seconds behind, and Vigo in third. Eunice Santa Ana is still I don't think Eunice Santa Ana is trying to remount. She suffered a big slide, no? Just as he was okay. Eunice Santa Ana was able to remount. So, tignan natin. At least he can finish and gain some points. But sayang, he was on that first lap was in a position to maybe at least challenge for second place. So, this is your leader, Galzote. Uy, marami pa rin tayo mga fans na nandito sa Tarlac. Mukhang inihintay nila ang ating main event, ang Open Underbone Class. 2 races from now po, ayan po. Dati po, akasya lang ang tao. Ngayon, they're all over the Tarlac Circuit Hill. Literally, kaya pala tinawag itong Tarlac Circuit Hill, no? Ang hill po ang panooran. So, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga nagpunta rito at nanood and enjoying today's National Motorcycle Road Racing, sanctioned of course by our FIM affiliate NAMSA Philippines and the USRA. Again, ito po mga bata na to, abangan nyo po ito in a few years time. Sila na po ang mga nagbabakbakan sa open class, no? Two laps to go na lang po for Laurent Galzote. 3 laps to go. This is Carvin Berganya. 30 seconds behind, not really pushing it because he knows he's in a safe second place in points. And but Galzote was not I think I'm not sure if this going to be his first national with the 125 class or nanalo na siya before. But it looks like it with just with 3 laps to go, half of the race done. Again, this is a wet race. So, kailangan po si Eunice, ayan, nakabangon pa rin po, although he's in 5th and last place. He must cross the finish line so para pa makonsider siyang finisher and makapayos po siya. Okay, last lap for Galsote of TWPO Project FI. Galsote for his first, I don't know if it's first. I think it's not his first, but it's a national win for Galsote. The very young Galsote this year for TW Project FI. Here we go. Approaching the checkered flag. There you go. Galsote winning the 1 to 5 limited class. Followed by Berganya. Here's Berganya. Long way back pa si Berganya. I think almost 30 seconds pero nagbabagal na lang siya because he's not challenging the first place. He's just here to rack up the points because it's been a long season so far for Berganya. He's so far completed all the national road races in the scooter and underbone. There you go, Berganya of TW Project FI taking the win again. Followed by Vigo, that's Eunice taking the checkered flag, so she will score. Although she's a lap behind, she will score points for today. There you go. Congratulations. So, our results. Galsote, followed by Berganya, Gabriel, and I think we're waiting for Eunice has already crossed the line, a lap behind in 5th place.